Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about cloveswater, what I experienced while using the cloveswater, and what you should know before using the cloveswater. If you are still having mixed feelings of using cloveswater, then this video is definitely for you, so don't go anywhere, okay? So guys, I have actually used cloveswater 2 times on my hair. The first time I tried it, I didn't make a video of it, so it was just the second time of using it that I made a video of it, which I uploaded here. And if you are yet to see that video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box, or it's going to pop out somewhere around the video. So yeah, the first time okay, let me just automatically say my experience while I use it for both times. The first time I used it, it was also, I tried it for 7 days, and then the second time as well, it was for 7 days. So yeah, what I think about the using of cloveswater, it is actually very effective, and I feel like if you want to see a very good result, you should use the cloveswater for a very long time, not just 7 days, because I don't think 7 days gives the the best result for it. So if you are going to try the cloveswater, then you should make sure you use it for a very long time, so that you see the effects of it. But if you use it, if you want to, whenever I'm trying something new, I always make sure I try it for a very short period of time, because we all have different type of hair and our hair responds differently. So if you want to try it, make sure you try it for the very first time for a short period of time. So since I've actually tried it twice on my hair, and I see that okay, it didn't cause any breakage to my hair or any setback, so it is something that yes, I'm definitely going to give it a try again. Probably this time I'm going to make it longer, probably like 30 days, stuff like that. So yes, that is what it is about the cloveswater. It is effective, but I feel like it actually needs more than just 7 days to see the effect of it. And then another thing you should note about the cloveswater is while I did it for that 7 days, guys, I watched so many videos before I did it, and I see some people make use of peppermint oil and tea tree oil while preparing the cloveswater. But I wanted to try this naturally, without any oil added to it. And okay guys, so I just made use of just the cloveswater, and after some time, usually I always oil my hair twice in a week. And yes, like I said, I did it for 7 days. So the first 3 days that I made use of that cloveswater, I didn't apply any oil to it, and that's because I don't like to try so much thing on my hair at once. But trust me guys, I don't know, but anyways, when I noticed, what I noticed is that after using it for the first 3 days without using any oil on my hair, my hair started feeling this, it started feeling dry. You could tell when I felt it, the hair strands, it felt so dry. So I had to apply my oil all over it. So I did that after every 3 days. So just to make sure that my hair doesn't get dry, because I'm trying to try this thing for hair growth, and then at the end of the day I end up causing breakage on my hair because I don't know how to use it. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that you should know how to use the cloves water. If you want to, mix your oil when you prepare it in the initial stage, then that's fine. At least it won't keep your hair dry, because using water for your hair consistently, like for 7 days, it will actually make your hair dry and it will lead to breakage. So don't, because you are trying something that you want to make your hair grow and then you don't know how to follow the process, and then you just cause more harm to your hair. So make sure to moisturize it with your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you use. If it's coconut oil, shea butter, or anything. So just make sure that as you are applying the the clove water, make sure you are also using a moisturizer on it. And you don't always have to apply the clove water on your hair strands all the time. You should focus more on your scalp, since that is where your hair grows from. So make sure you focus more on the scalp, and then if you are applying it to your hair strand, I mostly apply it to my ends just so I can get thick ends. So, but it shouldn't be done every day. Maybe if you use the cloves, if you are applying the cloves water for 7 days, you can actually for the first day apply it to all your hair, both your the root of your hair and your hair strands. Then probably the next 3 days, then you do that again. But maybe the second day it should just be on your roots. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like, you should just focus more on your scalp. And yes, for the 7 days I made use of my coconut oil on my hair. I think 3 times for the 7 days. I applied it probably 3 times or 2 times. But just make sure you are not just applying only the cloves water, because if you're applying just the cloves water without using any moisturizer you use on it, trust me, moisture overload is not good. So you're going to have moisture overload, and your when the water is too much on your hair, it will lead to dryness and it will cause breakage. So I just hope you understand what I just said. And yeah, so this is what you should know about the cloves water before you try it. Yes, hopefully you understand what I mean, and trust me, it is very effective. Clove water is very, very effective as long as you know how to follow the process, how to use it. Then it won't cause any breakage or setback to your hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I also want to use this opportunity to thank my new subscribers. So yeah, my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this family. You are welcome. And yes, if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.